Welcome to Utico Engineering Services. Another name for it is Ostotech Integrated Company Nigeria Limited. Today, I'll be giving you updates on our previous work. Last week, we started the setting out process, and I tried to explain the process involved in the marking of the profile and all the rest. We have done that, and today we are looking at how, after excavation of the column base and foundation trench, we will be looking today on how we can introduce our starter bars and the columns. First thing that we need to do here is to mark, we get offset where we want to position the columns, and we'll mark all the points out on the profile stick. Once that is done, we'll draw our lines in horizontal and vertical directions in all the points that correspond with the opposite direction. From what you are seeing there, we are trying to get the accurate position. We try to use the lines, the plumb, to position it in a way that we have the correct placement for it. Once we have done with all the columns, then the next thing we'll be doing today is to start casting the column base. We'll do it in a way that we might not necessarily cast all the base to the brim, but we'll just stack it in a way that when we'll be doing the mass casting, is not going to displace, we're not going to be having displacement of our columns. Although we have used some irons to brace the column, but that is not good enough. It's always advisable, when you're doing it, you cast it gently in a way that it will be firm, so that the next day when you'll be doing your mass casting, it's not going to affect any of the column. All your column will still be on the same alignment. So after all this, we'll be introducing the ground beam. For this particular site, we